When we started down the path to all electric, we made a crucial decision to invest in a dedicated all electric platform and architecture that will have scale, flexibility, and solid profitability. And that's what we have in Ultium. We didn't just take our ICE pickup truck architecture and convert it to an EV. That's what other OEMs are doing, but we've moved way beyond that. Now, we're on our third generation battery electric vehicle platform, a truly dedicated EV from the ground up approach. Simply put, we're able to do things that you just can't do if all you're doing is stuffing a battery into a system, into an existing vehicle. That decision to invest in a 100% dedicated platform gives us a distinct advantage versus other OEMs, and I'll tell you why. We have great flexibility in terms of design, engineering, and packaging. The Ultium platform is hugely versatile, and that frees up our design team from the constraints of an ICE platform, allowing them to create stunning vehicles that look unique and suit our brands. Its flexibility allows us to create a huge breadth of vehicles off of the same platform, from a high-volume compact vehicle or crossover to a large, luxurious truck like the GMC Hummer EV. That leads to huge economies of scale and great cost savings as we go into production. We can also include many features and enhancements in a dedicated EV platform that our competitors simply can't offer in a retrofit vehicle. A great example of that is our Silverado EV's four-wheel steer capability and its massive 24-inch wheels and tires. And today, we're also showing its stunning glass roof for the first time. We'll reveal the rest of it to the world at CES in January. I got to tell you, I'm so excited to show everybody this truck. You can see it here, but we haven't been able to show the whole world quite yet. So I really don't think you're going to see another similarly equipped EV pickup on the market for a while, and that's just the beginning for Silverado E. We won't just have one technological marvel of an electric pickup built from the ground up as a dedicated EV. We'll have two, including the GMC Sierra EV pickup that you see here. And just like what we have with our ICE pickups today, two fantastic entries in the biggest segment and the market representing two distinct brands and customer bases. I tell you, no one will be able to touch us in the battery electric truck space. Other features like the Hummer EV's Crab Walk or WTF, careful with that, or Watts to Freedom mode, are more examples of the competitive advantage of our EV-dedicated hardware and our advanced software. In fact, all of this, whether our manufacturing expertise and economies of scale, or our dedicated Ultium platform, or our Ultify software advantages, it all represents our competitive advantage over other OEMs, as well as our startups and the newcomers into the business. And by the way, I'll give you another advantage we have over the startups. A big, built-in, very loyal customer base. In fact, the most loyal in the industry. In fact, earlier this year, when IHS Markit announced the results of the 25th Annual Automotive Loyalty Awards, General Motors was again the top manufacturer for automotive loyalty in the United States. This is the 6th year in a row that GM came out on top in the overall loyalty to the manufacturer category, and the 17th time in the last 25 years. Now that's loyalty that the other OEMs simply do not have. And most startups have no customer base at all. But we do. And we intend to bring our customers along with us to EVs, give them exactly what they want, and make their transition convenient, smooth, and seamless. The reason we'll be able to make their transition so seamless is Ultify, the other half of our dual platform strategy together with Ultium. Ultify and the apps it enables will help give our customers the most convenient EV ownership experience possible. It will let them move swiftly and surely through the entire ecosystem, whether they're looking for an available fast charger or the quickest route to get to one. And it goes way beyond just those examples to a multitude of apps, services, some subscriber-based and some not. Our approach with Ultify, like Ultium, is vertically integrated. You'll recall that our EV strategy involves vertical integration from the ground up for our dedicated EV and AV platforms. We'll have the rights to all of that technology and intellectual property involved, and the development and the build of the components ourselves, the battery packs together with our long-term partner LG Energy Solution, but also the battery chemistry and the electric motor.